tayo maglalaro ng speed draw. Tsaka, namatay ko na lang yung round para matapos. Yung description ay tawag, yung tema ay tawag frog. Mahirap pa magsulat ng frog? Hindi sure. Pero halika, laro tayo. Sarap naman ng piano yan. Pero nilaro na natin yan. Eto na yung round. Eto na. Ang cute naman yan. Pero, ano nangyari sa mukha? Paa niya. Edit 1 star. E next naman, ay, ano nangyari dito? Ba't ano siya? Baliktad. Edi 2 stars. Mukhang cute naman siya, pero mukhang weird. Kaya 1 star. Ano nangyari dyan? Gagamba yan. Hindi yan palaka. Kaya 1 star. Ba't muka? Tema ay ngayong frog eh. 0 stars. Tingnan nga lang sa winners. Wow! Na first, yung nasa una. Galing nun ah. Maghahanda na yung round. Okay. Ito. Uy, may skateboard pala dyan. Ang ganda. Tara, anong tayo? Mag-skateboard. I mean, not skateboard. Skating. Yay! Ganda naman nito, guys. Ay, ito na yung RAM. Magsasart na po. Ay, gagamba. Try nga natin. Okay. Actually, narinig ko po 3 legs yung gagamba. Kaya lalagay ko 3 ay, ba 3? 6 pala. Accident. Actually, maraming mata yung nakita ko dati. And may ngipin. Pero sad siyang spider. Kasi wala siya makakain. Pero at least, gagawin kong cute. Mukhang cute na yan. Okay na yan. Submit natin. Alika, skating tayo. Ay. Pero tara, bumaba na muna tayo. Tara, baba tayo. Laro natin yung piano. Ganda naman ng piano. Nag-glow sa dark. Okay guys. Akit tayo. Ay, bigla tatahulog. Ano ba yan? Sino to? Merchant? May shop pala dito eh. May pets pala. Ay, 100 yung monkey. Tingin nga natin. Ang cute naman ng deer. Gusto ko yung deer. Ang ganda. Gusto ko yung deer. Pero 1,000 pala yan. Ang mahal. Octopus pinakamahal. At yung unicorn ang mahal talaga. Ay, ano naman ng fox? Gusto ko bilhin naman yan. Pero mahal. May jellyfish dyan. Ang ganda. Ang cute din oh. Pero guess ko, ito lang yung mga mamura pinakamataas. Okay, mag-ipon tayo ng pera. Okay, antayin muna natin. Okay. Ito na, yung round. Ito na tayo, guys. Ay, ang cute naman yan. Pero walang muka. Eh, di 2 stars. Ano nangyari dyan? Ano gagamba yan? Ay. Ano yan? Hindi naman yan gagamba. 1 star. Ano yan? Chameleon? Ano kaya yan? Hindi 1 star. Ito na yung akin. Okay. Tapos yung voting. Ayun to. Mouse yan eh. Amugush. 1 star. Yes! Una ako! Amugush. Yes! Ako first! Amugush. Okay guys, naka-first ako. Ako next naman. Ako next. Ay, sasawa na ako sa sir kasi ay, tao na. Teka na, set natin. Amugus. Try Amugus. If said random, do Amugus. Lagyan na natin yung pink yung buhok. You're killing my brain cells. You are flipping killing my brain cells. Are you kidding me? Okay, now, lalagyan na natin. You are killing my brain cells. Alright, I just mute. Okay, ito na yung body niya. Ito yung, oh shoot, maliit talaga to. Bro, shut up. Okay. Actually, parang good na yan. Pero, yung, ay, oof. But, ano? Okay. Now, lalagay ko na yung mata. Actually, wag na. Ay. Okay, now, next. Ang ganda niyan. Okay, ilalagay na natin ang shading. Come on. Okay, nabas na. Uy, 100 na pera ko. Tara, tignan natin kung ano mura dun sa store. Uy, monkey lang. Ipon tayo uli para makakuha tayo uli. Okay, babata tayo. Ay, start na yung round. Okay. Ano yan? Mukhang, ano yan? Edi 1 star. Ay, ano na.
Too late.
Ano yan? Parang flashy yan eh. Tsaka may head, but edi 1 star.
Bro, what the heck is that?
Ayan yung akin. Tignan natin kung maka-first ako.
Bro, why does she have a giant hair and a giant brain?
That's not
Giant
a brain.
head.
Oh my god, what's that?
Would you
That's a stick nail. I'm gonna put it two stars.
What the hell is that thing?
Now,
Nice try.
let's see the winners. Oh my god. I
What?
think they didn't vote for me.
Because of the head, I think.
Maybe.
Because of the head.
Now, do you know these two? Actually, I think they're noobs. They're really noobs. I really think because actually
Bro, I thought that was you.
their drawing is actually kinda suck. So actually, when they draw the thing again, I'm not gonna vote for it. Just gonna vote the other ones. Yeah, they don't vote for me, so I don't vote for them.
Shut up.
Okay, now is strawberry. Nakakolor na natin yung strawberry. Damn, I strawberry. Just leave me alone!
Bro, you don't know how to draw. What the heck is that? Is that a tomato?
That's not a tomato.
Nayo, I've been married a long time ago.
This is not a tomato.
Wait, let me join the game.
Then where's your phone?
Sabi.
Then where's your computer?
Bro, I forgot my mom.
Wait, what?
My mom changed the password.
Oh man, bro.
But she let me use it for 1 minute. She said I can't play Roblox.
Oh man, you can't play?
If she saw me
Nah,
playing
sabi.
Roblox, she will not let me use Roblox.
Oh man.
She will take all of my Robux.
Why would you take all of your Robux but you don't play Roblox?
She
You only
will
play
delete-
ML.
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh my, what have you said? What did he said? What he said? What he said? What he said?
I said what the
Oh my god, you
I
said
think you forgot to edit
F-U-C-K.
thing.
No. I'm gonna send it to you too without edits.
Okay.
So everybody will hear your bad words. Okay. I don't know how to edit, okay? So everything is not edited. All my videos are not edited.
Well, let's react on our video reactions.
Okay,
Wanna
we
do
will
it?
do it later after the video.
If you got on first, let's do a reaction video after.
Alright, right. Okay. Shut. I don't want to say it.
This is my butt
So,
cheek. Oh, shut up!
okay now. guys.
Ay, gusto. Kaya ito.
Now, guys, actually, I guess I'm saying thank you for 3 subs and I have 400 views on a video of a voice
Wait.
line. And thank you for 3 subscribers right now. If you're watching
Yeah,
this or viewing this,
Matchit ko to.
thank you. Maybe you wanna be subscribed to the channel.
Mula kayo.
Oh, this one looks cute. I'm gonna put it as a 3-star. It's kinda adorable.
Yeah, that's...
Wait, what? That's I gotta put it as a 1-star. It's kinda cringe.
Bro, cringe.
He's look like a baddie. Wait, that's just lines. Bro, this is lines.
Yeah, what?
Do you know how to draw?
Bro, what the hell?
Paano mo,
Now.
I'ma put my lifetime on this Robux.
Okay, there's mine. It looks like a tomato.
Tomato. Like,
Okay.
I forgot to.
Okay.
What the hell?
Ano yan? Ang pangit naman yan. Di 1-star.
Yeah,
Maliit yung dots, kaya 2-star. Yun na lang, 2-star na lang. Now, tingnan natin yung winners. Gusto ko ma-win. Ay, sayang. Ako yung second. At least second lang.
Hoy, biscuit ko.
Okay, guys.
Ate.
Bye-bye po. Tsaka, thank you po sa subs po.
Kaya mo
Okay,
lang,
bye.